What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video is going to be an update about the AgroFunds, how the AgroFunds is doing. Okay, guys? So let me just tell you that I'm no longer rolling with AgroFunds, so my plans expired, so I cashed out and moved on. But the project's still up and running, still paying, still doing its thing. Okay, so as you can see right here, we got two plans, but they also added a new extra plan. We earn 20% daily. Okay, more about that shortly. Okay, down here we have a calculator where where you can calculate how much you can potentially earn. So you got two plans over here, and the minimum investment for the 6% daily is 100 bucks, and the minimum for the 10% daily is 10,000 bucks. Okay, some people been asking me a few questions about the projects, and all those answers are here in the FAQ. So I'm going to show those answers shortly. Okay, so statistics: 2,410 visitors, total users 130,000, total deposits 229 million, total withdrawals 45 million. Okay, and it's been running for 458 days. Okay, which is crazy. Okay, so let's go over to FAQs real quick, and let's see what this all about. Okay, um, some people been asking me questions about the packages. Okay, so there are some stuff that you're supposed to know about the packages. That's why I always say, uh, make sure that you do your own research, you fully understand how the project works before you invest. Okay, where is the information? Okay, our packages. Okay, so our packages has a limit. Investors will be allowed to use the Ruby on their first deposit. Okay, so the Ruby plan is the plan where you earn 6% daily. Okay, so you'll be able to invest in a Ruby plan for on the first deposit for just 1 month. Okay, 30 days. Okay, keep in mind the Ruby plan only lasts for 10 days. Okay, so you'll be able to run with this plan for three times. Okay, 30 days. 3 times 10 is 30. After that, you will have to move to the finale plan, and it's also accessible for 30 days. Okay, so and then after that, you are to restart from the Ruby for 2 months. Okay, cool. So that being said, let's go over to the beginning. So let me explain to you. So once you start with the platform, okay, so for example, if you go with the Ruby plan, you can go 3 times. Okay, 3 times. So 10 days plus 10 days plus 10 days is 30 days. Okay, after that, you know, you can only go for the finale plan for again 30 days. Okay, so you can go with this one 2 times. After that, you'll be able to unlock the Ruby plan and roll with the Ruby plan for 60 days this time. Okay, so if you want to go with the Ruby plan, you can go for up to 60 days. After that, you will have to jump in on finale plan for 60 days again to be able to unlock this one. Okay, let's go back. Where is it? And so failure to move to the finale plan will make you not to receive your withdrawal request, and please chat supports to give you how to request for refund, principal only. Okay, so very important statement right here, guys. So you will have to move to the finale plan, otherwise you will not receive your withdrawal requests. Okay, so always very important to read the FAQs. If you got any more questions, just chat with us, contact customer support right here, and you can know more about it. Okay. So essentially, that's that. So let me log in real quick and let me show you how the platform looks like if you're not familiar with this project. Okay, this is how the dashboard looks like. Okay, and if you want to make a new deposit, you come over here, new deposit, you select the coin that you want to stake. So for example, Tether USDT, you select the amount that you want to deposit, 100 bucks. and you select the payment system. So USDT TRC 20, 1,000 bucks, I mean. And then over here, we got a confirmation about the plan that you are selecting. Okay, so all you got to do is copy this address right here, send 1,000 USDT to this wallet address right there. And once you're done that, you hit done. Okay, and then payment will be processed. It takes, up to 60 minutes or so. And then after that, you are good to go. Okay. If you come over here to promo, we can see, okay, sorry, I'm not eligible for this plan right now because I'm no longer rolling with the platform. Okay. But this plan um, essentially will give you 20% daily, if I recall, for 10 or 15 days, something like that. It was a crazy amount, but you would have to invest 50K, okay? 50K to earn that amount of money. But yes, I'm no longer eligible because I'm not rolling with the project no more. But this is just me giving an update because a lot of people been asking me questions about the projects, how to withdraw. But if you come over here to FAQ, scroll all the way down, you can find your answer. Okay, guys, that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.